Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we'll make a basic model of sheet metal in Autodesk Inventor of part bracket. So let's get started with today's video. Take a new part in sheet metal millimeters. Now take a 2D sketch on XY plane. Take the circle command. Take a dia of 60. Okay. Now take the vertical constraint and apply it with reference to midpoint. Now take the dimension from center as 70, so it's constrained. Now take a line command. Now first take a 3-point arc from circle and now take a line command. Okay, take the horizontal constraint and constrain this. Take a center line. Okay, change it to center line. So now take dimensions once again and give it a dimension of 35 and this as 30. So this is still moving. So take the constraint tangent with line and with circle. Now it's constrained. The sketch should always be in constraint form. Take the trim command and trim the internal profile. Okay, no issue. Now take the mirror command, select these profiles, select the center line and apply. Now exit sketch and take the counter flange, select this profile, take from mid plane and take it inside, so flip the direction and now take the total distance of 45. Okay, for thickness go to sheet metal defaults and take a thickness of 2 or 3, whatever you want to take. Now we have to unfold this. For unfold, go to unfold command, select this face, select add all bends and apply. Now select this face and make a new sketch. Take a slot. Now take a slot of radius 3.5. Take this as 3.5 and this as 25. Give it a constraint of vertical and horizontal by this. Okay, now take another slot. So you have to take 2 slots for the top profile and take its radius as 13.5 and the center to center as 60. Don't take it 3.5, take it 6 as 6. Okay, now take the coincident constraint and constrain it. Okay, Now take the sheet metal and take the cut command, select these profiles. Okay. Now go back to unfold, folded, take the command refold, select the same plane which we have selected previously, select include all bends, and OK. We are back to the folded profile. Now take the the flange command and give it as a distance of 25. Do it for all the edges, this and this. Now these profiles are within the surface, so we have to take it outside to bend at adjacent face, so the radius will cover. Okay. Now take sketch on this face, take circle command and give it a dia of 7 mm. Now constrain it, take horizontal, center point, similarly vertical, center point. These things help you to make the sketch more easily and quickly rather than giving dimensions. Now take a line at center, give it center line and mirror the circle about this line, apply. Done. Now take the 3D and extrude command, take this profile, change the view and flip the direction of cut and take through all cut. Okay. Now for edges, take the chamfer command, give it a chamfer of 3 of equal lengths. For equal, the angle will be by default 45 degree. Select all the edges, all the upper edges and apply. Okay. Now take this face and make a new sketch. Again take the slot command and now take the dimension and give it a radius of 5 and this has 25. Take the horizontal constraint and the vertical constraint. Again take the extrude command, take cut profile, it will flip automatically and take through. So it's done. Now the folded profile is made, but you have to give the flatten size for this profile, as flatten sizes are required for sheet metal, for laser cut or normal cutting operations. Go to create flat pattern. The flat pattern of the same has been created. So now go back to folded part. You can give it an appearance of, I'll say, whatever you want to. I'll take chrome polished. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like the video. Please hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.